Hello, my name is Christopher Harrison, and I'm doing a review of my website using the RISE model. um, okay, so first off, I was going for simple, very simple. This is my first website I've ever created. Um, so I was excited, but um, I didn't want to bite off more than I could chew, of course. And overall, I just wanted to be sweet and right to the point. State what I do. So I have my name, my production company, White Eye Productions, um, filmmaker, director, content creator. Um, I think I might want to change that to, I might want to replace filmmaker with videographer. Maybe go director, videographer, content creator. Um, I think that's more of my skill set. It's more of my skill set right now. Um, I mean, I've shot a few short films and things like that, but nothing major. So, I opening page. I have some content, a short little video. Just showcase some of my skills, some of my talents. Move on to my show reel. I feel like this is the most important page because being a videographer, content creator, the most important thing is content. So you got to have content, and I definitely want to get more content. But I think I'm okay for now. I think I'm okay for now. We move on. I got my resume, which is also more content actually. My video resume. I'm a cinematographer. Um, I think I think that was a good way to lead right into my about me. So I have resume, video resume that you could see, that you could watch, and then I have resume on paper that you could read. Um, and information about myself that you might that consumer might find valuable. So I think I did a pretty good job of my about me. State who I am and what I do. Um, Little things about myself, what drives me, why I do I do exactly what I do. The field that I'm in, sports videography mainly, is what I get most of my work from as of now. Um, so, in a little bit about my journey, my credentials. So, I think it's a good start, and then my contact information. I think I definitely want to do more with this page. I got my phone number and my email. For in case someone wants to contact me directly. Um, instead of just leaving their name and email in a box. I don't think I've ever done that. That doesn't give me too much confidence. So definitely want to have um, different ways to be contacted. Um, so I think I did all right. If I had to grade myself out of 100, I think I would go 85. I think I'd go 85 just because I think I just really just stayed along the guidelines. I didn't get out of my comfort zone. I didn't try anything too crazy, but I would like to. I would definitely like to get more knowledge and learn to create something. Layout from the ground up. Not just go pick a layout. I guess that would have to do with coding. Um, I think that would be something that I need to look into. Just to spruce up my site a little bit more. Um, give it a little bit more flair, a little more things popping. Um, I definitely met my goal though. I wanted to be simple. I wanted to be nice, neat, professional. I think I hit those marks. I wanted to have plenty of content, which I think I have. I think I have enough for now. I definitely need more, but I have enough. And I want to be easy to navigate. You know, I want to be easy to navigate. I want to be straightforward. Um, and I think I accomplished that. So, thanks.